Well, we're getting the rain. And it's starting to get a little bit breezy. We'll pray for a good soaking. I'd love it if it was steady, but it's probably going to come in, kick butt, and leave. That's the way Arizona is. It'll come in, rain, knock the heck out of everything, and leave. A little bit later, a flash flood will come through. But we're doing good here. We're on a little bit higher ground. So this will be well. On it, Lulu. You like watching this, huh? It's coming from the east and heading west. Bruno's just going to cuddle up into blankies. You guys be well. Thank you.